He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion. He's can't miss. He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock. He's a lock. I am the lock.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Intercontinental Championship.
It's the superstar who's a lock to be on top of WWE for years to come.
Introducing the challenger from Madison, Wisconsin, weighing in at 234 pounds, Rick Boogs. From Naples, Italy, weighing in at 213 pounds, he is the WWE Intercontinental Champion.
The Intercontinental Championship, one of the most coveted titles in all of WWE. The Lock is facing one of his stiffest title defenses yet against the red-hot Rick Boogs.
Boogs' new tour manager, Luke Morgan, will be looking to add to their recent momentum by adding Intercontinental Gold to their gold records.
Shoulders down for the count. 2 count. It kicks out at 2.
Just got scary close to the 3 count there.
Ooh, accurate roundhouse. Desperate attempt here to get back on his feet. Arm numb makes your opponent very vulnerable.
Hold on. Why is Dewdrop getting involved in this?
She either has second thoughts or someone hit a wrong button. Either's possible around here.
Able to counter. Oh, my God. Oh, a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
The challenger's looking shaken.
Yeah, but he's not breathing heavy yet.
Measured it. He switches it back around.
Textbook scoop slam.
The Lock put a stop to that.
Vicious right forearm. Hooked up.
Oh, package drive.
He's lining him up. Can it be? Will the reign continue? Going for it.
Crossface submission is in.
After every tap out.
The Rock is walking out the same way he walked in.
Here's your winner,
as
and
AJ.
still WWE Intercontinental Champion, Daniel Morales.
This was as dominant a win as I've ever seen, guys.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence.
I'm so sorry. I don't know why my music hit during your match. So weird.
All good. It didn't really affect the outcome.
Really? Boogs didn't even notice? I thought that would get his attention. Not that I want it.
Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. You've got a little thing for Boogs, huh?
Well, he is extremely handsome. And who knows, maybe someday we could make a little boo drop.
I honestly don't know how to respond to that, other than to remind you that Liv Morgan is more than just Boogs' manager, if you know what I mean.
Well, that's also sort of why I'm here. I heard a rumor that Liv has actually been talking about moving on to you. Are you interested at all?
Yeah, I don't really know her, but maybe.
Well, I think you should grant Boogs a rematch and I'll be your manager. Let me work my matchmaking magic from ringside. What do you say?
Manager's not really my style, sorry. But good luck making a gumdrop.
The following...
Take a good look at the new face.
Introducing the...
Well, this is familiar, isn't it? It's the Intercontinental Champion, The Rock, defending his title against Rick Boogs one more time on Raw.
You'd think Boogs and Liv Morgan of all people would have had a better handle on the music last week. I guess technical problems happen to the best of us.
Sweet, simple Saxton. My money's on the beat. Do dropping one more time.
Snap suplex. These are big power moves becoming more devastating with every attempt.
He eludes the contact.
Boogs looking to rock, but he's got to stay on his man here.
Oh my God!
Suplex. This again. Never mind. It looks like Doudrop actually showed up this time.
And she's distracting the Intercontinental Champ.
And finds a counter. Set him up. Russian leg sweep. Challenger's a little worse for wear now.
No need to panic. He's still swinging.
And now Boogs is getting beaten down.
Looks like Boogs is having trouble generating any sort of defense.
From the apron, all the way to the outside.
Oh, gonna head up now top. This is nasty. This is dangerous. This is gonna be bad.
Don't do it!
Oh, that didn't go as Lock designed.
You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in.
Oh, look out. Hits him with the counter. Champ's got the pin to retain. He narrowly avoids the count.
He got close there. It could be do or die time. Uh-oh. Half and half suplex. Lights out.
Lock, watch it.
He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down. The champ will stay champ.
Looking for the victory. There's two.
And the champ retains.
Here is your winner, and still WWE Intercontinental Champion, Daniel Morales.
And that seemed like a pretty...
Did you have anything to do with Dewdrop's deranged lies about me?
So, I take it you don't have a huge crush on me.
No.
Sometimes because nobody else would. Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half. And now.
Oh, but I am down to team up with you to rearrange Dewdrop's lying face.
That makes two of us.
I don't know which of these two I can't stand less.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. On the way to the ring, The Lock, Daniel Morales, and Liv Morgan.
After an exhilarating WWE debut, The Lock is looking to build on his early momentum.
The Intercontinental Champion will also be looking to lock up his reputation as a winner here tonight.
How are these two going to get along? It's musical chair madness here on Raw as allegiances have been upended and new partnerships formed on the fly.
That's right, Michael. The Intercontinental Champion has teamed up with the unlikeliest of allies, Liv Morgan, to take on Rick Boogs and his new boo, Dewdrop.
Please don't start calling them.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Boo Drop. Trying to fight with a hurt arm is no easy task.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner.
That was awesome.
She goes for the quick pin. And she kicks out.
Not enough to get past the 1 count yet.
Here's Liv Morgan into the quick,
Letting her out of the pinning predicament. She might just be toying with her at this point.
sit out mat slam. Oh, look at this! Incredible together! Dueling DDTs!
Nice.
And he sends him into the corner. Not where you want to be right now.
What more can these two superstars do to each other?
Whatever it takes. Looking for the fast lane to the pay window.
Falcon Arrow!
Almost put him through the ring. When all else fails, sometimes you just have to go the high risk and hopefully...
Oh, diving leg drop! Momentum on the side of the Lock.
Yeah, lock is proving hard to keep up with.
Quick thinking from Boogs.
Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own.
Beautiful.
It's always disorienting taking those hits above the shoulders.
And he has to start protecting himself from attacks to that.
Look at him lock it in. The bell lock is in.
This one's over. Tap up, tap out.
What a way to end this mixed tag match.
Here are your winners. The Lock, Daniel, Morales, and Liv Morgan.
A big victory for both him and her.
Dominant forces within their own divisions, even more impressive together.